Now, Mumbai police officer Daya Nayak has been seen leaving the residence of actor Saif Ali Khan in Bandra. The police are investigating the recent incident involving the break-in and actor's injuries after a knife attack has taken place. Authorities are working to trace the intruder and gather further details as the investigation continues further.
मेरे भाई
Now, viewers, Maharashtra Congress chief spokesperson on Atul Lokhande Patil has criticized the state government over the attack on the actor Saif Ali Khan. Now, political, in fact, reactions are also coming in at this point of time. He has stated that the law and order situation in Maharashtra has completely collapsed. The accused, in fact, he also accused the administration of political interference. Patil called for the immediate end to political influence, demanding that the Home Ministry be handled by an independent and competent minister if the chief minister is unable to address the issue effectively. Let's now listen into what he has said.
हानि में बाबा सिद्दीकी जी का मर्डर हो जाता है। सलमान खान को अपने घरों के खिड़कियों पर बुलेट प्रूफ कांच लगाने पड़ते हैं और सैफ अली खान को घर में घुसकर उन पे हमला हो सकता है। किसी भी मंशा से आया हो, किस मंशा से आया है, चोरी करने के लिए आया है या कुछ और है, ये तो जांच के बाद पता चलेगा। तो ये सरासर गृह मंत्री का और सरकार का फेलियर है। राजनीतिक हस्तक्षेप इमीडिएटली रुकना चाहिए। अगर मुख्यमंत्री की बहुत व्यस्तता है तो गृह मंत्रालय किसी इंडिपेंडेंट कॉम्पिटेंट मंत्री को दे देना चाहिए, वरना महाराष्ट्र जो और खासकर मुंबई जो देश की आर्थिक राजधानी है, वही अगर कानून व्यवस्था के लिए बदनाम हो जाएगी तो उसके बहुत बुरे परिणाम होंगे। देखिए महाराष्ट्र
All right, in fact, as we are also picking up the details, viewers, this is the latest political reaction that we are tracking, and the political war of words has also started brewing on this matter. The safety of the celebrities at the residence inside Bandra is also being questioned after this incident, while celebrities and other film fraternity and industry veterans have also come in to accuse the police for not being able to give the security needed, failing to have resulted in this kind of an attack. My colleague Daryl continues to be with me on the broadcast. Daryl, what are you picking up from outside the residence of Saif Ali Khan? How is exactly, in fact, the family reacting to these developments? What is the police doing? Has there been an official statement from the Maharashtra government as well on this entire matter?
Right now I am present outside Saif Ali Khan's Sadhguru Sharan residence in Mumbai's Bandra West, and I will tell my Vijay to show the visuals where the team of the doctors and the forensic experts have come over here for investigation, and we can see the team. This is the forensic team which had come in the morning. We will try to take the reaction and try to see. So we can see the officers who had come for investigation are saying that the investigation is going on and we can't share any details as of now because they had come over here to collect some samples, and when asked about how the investigation is going on, he clearly said that we can't give any information right now as it's a part of our investigation process. So you can see these are the officials who had come over here for the investigating the matter. We still try to take their reaction and see if they are giving any reaction on this whole incident. So Simran, we can see the officers are not giving any reaction on this whole incident. They are saying that the investigations are going on, and once the whole investigation is done, after which we'll give a reaction on this. And but on the other hand, the forensic team is still present at the residence of Saif Ali Khan where this incident took place. And apart from that, the other team, that is the crime branch team, has also reached over here. The senior encounter specialist Daya Naik along with this crime branch team had reached the spot, and they are investigating the whole matter, and after which the police is said to give an official statement about the whole incident which took place. Simran.